platypus. Unique mammal. The platypus is one of the few egg-laying mammals, known as monotremes. Venomous spurs. Male platypuses have venomous spurs on their hind legs, capable of delivering a painful sting. Semi-aquatic. They are excellent swimmers and spend much of their time in the water, using their webbed feet to propel themselves. Electroreception. Platypuses can detect electrical signals generated by the movements of prey in the water, helping them locate food. Duckbill. Platypuses have a distinctive duck-like bill, which they use to hunt underwater by sensing vibrations. Limited range. They are native to Australia and are found in eastern and southeastern regions. No stomach. Platypuses lack a stomach. Instead, their food is processed in a specialized gland. Crepuscular. Platypuses are most active during dawn and dusk, making them crepuscular animals. Monogamous. They typically form monogamous pairs during the breeding season. Conservation concerns. Platypuses are classified as near threatened due to habitat loss and pollution of their aquatic habitats.